Hello guys, today we're going to build a farm. Now let's up. Oh, we have some horses. Open the barn to see which animals we have here. Next, here are the animals. First, we're going to take the cows out of the barn. We're going to open the big red barn. Here's a pony. Here's a mule. Here's a donkey. Here's a goat. Here's a sheep. Here's a hen. Here's a turkey. Here's a rooster. Here's a duck. Here's a goose. Here's a cat. And here's a pig. Here's a dog. From the well. Next, we're going to get some water. We are going to give the animals some water. Corn. We're going to give corn to the turkey, goose. Here's a wheelbarrow full of duck and chickens. Here's a big round bale for the cows. Donkey and mule. Here's hay for the horses. We have lettuce, carrots for the goat and sheep. and some food for the cat and the dog. Here are some carrots for the pig. So those are the animals in our farm today.